The Complete Directive Communication Psychology Trainer Consultant Certification and License. This is the most complete licensed system in the people and organizational development industry, with over 560 licensees in 21 countries. It not only provides individuals with complete abilities to train and develop others in directive communication psychology and its applications such as leadership, innovation, customer service, sales, teamwork, communication, and more, but allows licensees to apply this arsenal of tools, assessments, strategies, systems, and templates to achieving the highest levels of performance across departments, teams, and even organizations. The system includes fanatical support and is constantly developing new research, as well as marketing and sales for licensees to succeed in their expert business. This system includes consistent updates on our new research as it comes, and fanatical support for marketing and sales so licensees can succeed in their expert businesses. Besides the trainer and people developer certifications, this complete business and implementation system includes 4 other global credentials: the Colored Brain Certification Expanded, the Emotional Drive and Motivation Certification, the Psychology of Dynamic Speaking and Facilitation Certification, and the Psychology-Based Curriculum Development Certification. These, combined with award-winning tools and marketing materials, ensure success as a professional. DCI even provides a success guarantee.